volume based problems. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. So radius is equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. So height is also 1 centimeter. Now what we have to find is the volume in terms of pi. So which means we don't need to substitute 3.14 or 22/7 instead of pi. We are going to find the answer in terms of pi itself. It is given that a cone standing on a hemisphere. So a hemisphere and a cone is standing on it. Okay, so now what we are going to find is the volume of the object. So volume of object is nothing but volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. So volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. From here what we can take common outside is 1 by 3 pi r square we can take common and 2 r plus h will be left out. So here what we can do is 1 by 3. We don't need to substitute anything for pi. So let us keep it as it is. And instead of r squared we are going to substitute 1 square. Then 2 into 1 plus 1. So 1 by 3 into 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. So this 3 gets cancelled. So the volume is nothing but pi centimeter cube. Let's move on to another problem. A Gulab Jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 Gulab Jamun, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispheres of length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. So the Gulab Jamun is nothing but a cylinder with its two sides fitted with hemisphere. So it is given that length is equal to 5 centimeter, diameter is 2.8, so radius is 1.4 centimeter. So now what we are going to find is first the volume of the Gulab Jamun. So volume of Gulab Jamun is equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of hemisphere. Okay, so volume of cylinder is nothing but pi r square h plus 2 into volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So now what we are going to do is take common pi r square outside. So we are left out with h plus 4 by 3 r. So let's substitute. So now instead of pi, I can substitute 22 by 7. So instead of r squared, 1.4 into 1.4. Okay, here what we are going to do is, here the total length is 5. But I have to subtract both the radius of the hemisphere. So it is nothing but 5 minus 2 into 1.4 which is equal to 2.2. So the height is 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into r is 1.4. So here I can cancel 7 and 1.4, so this is 0.2. Here I have to take LCM, so it is 22 into 0.2 into 1.4 into, here when I take LCM it is 6.6 plus 5.6 divided by 3. So here when I multiply and divide by 3, I will be getting 25.05 centimeter cube as the volume of the Gulab Jamun. Here it is given that find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 Gulab Jamun, each shaped like a cylinder and a hemisphere. So here it is given that the sugar syrup is about up to 30% of its volume. So this is volume of one Gulab Jamun. So I have to multiply this with 45, so that I will get the volume of 45 gulab jamuns, so that I will take the 30% of its volume and find the answer. So I will find how much syrup will be found here. So it is nothing but what I have to do is multiply 25.05 with 45, so that I will get the volume of 45 gulab jamun, and I will take the 30% of it, because the sugar syrup will be 30% of its volume. So here when I cancel, I am getting to 25.05 into 45 into 0.3. So when we multiply, we will be getting answer 338.175, which is nothing but 338 approximately. Let's move on to another problem. A solid iron core consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Now what we have to find is the mass of the pole, and also we are going to find, given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So we will find in terms of centimeter, and then we will be converting it to kgs. Okay, let's do. It is given H1, the first cylinder height as 220 centimeter and diameter is 24, so radius R1 will be equal to 12. Next is H2, radius height of second cylinder is 60 centimeter and its radius R2 is 8 centimeter. Okay, now what we are going to find is the final mass of the pole. So volume of the pole is nothing but volume of cylinder 1 plus volume of cylinder 2. So volume of cylinder is pi R1 square H1 plus pi R2 square H2. So here I can take only pi as common outside. So R1 square is nothing but 12 into 12 into H1 is 220 plus here R2 is 8 into 8 into H2 is 60. So when I multiply, I will get pi into 31,680 plus 3,840. So when I add this, I will be getting 35,520. Instead of pi, I can substitute 3.14. So when I multiply, I will be getting 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube. Now I am going to convert this to kilogram. Here it is given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So to convert the centimeter cube to kilogram, what we have to do is multiply it by 8 by 1000, because it is given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So 1,11,532.8 into 8 by 1000. So when I multiply this, I will be getting the answer 892.26 kilogram. That's my answer.